Hey guys, welcome back to the show. And I did a community post not long ago and said, what would you like to see me do more of? And I would say, I don't know, 5, 6, 7, a good amount of people said seafood, Hussey. We want seafood. How do you do salmon? How do you do that? I haven't done salmon in a long time. I can't remember when. Today, we're doing salmon and not doing anything crazy. This is just a couple pieces of salmon that I got from good old Walmart. Yes, somebody's gonna talk trash, but you know what? I don't care. I do not care. Take that salmon out of the package and I put it onto some paper towels just like this, and I blotted the skin side as well. And we're going to flip this over, and we got these two beautiful fillets. What we also have, we got some asparagus. Gotta have a side item with this asparagus. And I might add, this meal will go really fast. Salmon cooks very fast, and so does asparagus. Good gracious, these things, look at these stalks. Things right there, bigger than my dang finger. Goodness gracious. Asparagus, really easy. What I like to do is just the bottoms can be very hardy, so you just want to kind of do like that, and wherever it snaps is basically where it's hard. Okay, and the rest of that is good and edible. It'd be very tender. What you can do is split one and then just bring that over to the rest and just chop off all of them. You can do that as well, but I just feel like doing it the hard way today. Okay, now. Some people on the YouTubes, they'll say, take this and make an excellent vegetable stock. You know what I say? I ain't got that time. I'm just gonna put it in the trash. All right, that's prepped. And I mean, after that, you don't really have a lot of asparagus left, but it's okay. Get your griddle pre-warmed because, like I said, this is like a 15-minute meal max. Let's get our fillets seasoned up, all right? How are we gonna do that? Glad you asked. Going with Hussey's chicken dust. Yes, this is salmon, but the chicken dust would be really good too. I left that towel under that. I want that skin to be nice and dry because I want it to crisp up. And that salmon skin is pretty good. So, I mean, that's all it takes right there. Let's head over to the griddle. Let's get this thing started. All right, we're over on the griddle. We're looking at 375 degrees, 400 over there. Perfect, very good. Griddle temperature magnet, great for seafood, tells you where that needs to be. It's a great tutorial. It is a magnet. Sticks right here for a nice tutorial. All right, let's get to cooking. I want to do our asparagus over here, just a little bit of oil. I want to do our salmon right here, just a little bit of oil. Don't need a whole lot. I see a lot of people just looking like an oil slick, like the Exxon Valdez. You don't need that much. This is a high heat oil, by the way, that you want to try and do. I want to put our salmon down first, and I am going to go skin side down. And then it's nice and dry. That's going to render a nice and dry skin and crispy skin. Okay, our asparagus, I'll lay those right there. Get in the line, suckers. Never know when you got company coming over and they talk trash about your asparagus line. You know who does that, don't you? Them Andersons. They do it every time. All right, over there. Everybody's in a line. For our asparagus, I'm actually going to drizzle just a little bit of oil on those. And I'm glad you asked. What am I going to season them with? I'm glad you know. Hussey's chicken dust. I smell it already. All right, asparagus is on. Now we're gonna give them a little steam bath. Just gonna come in some water. This is gonna make them cook really fast. While this is going, we're gonna make a little sauce for our salmon. And we'll come over here to the cutting board and we're gonna use some soy sauce, about 1/4 cup. There will be a full recipe link down below to my website. And honey, pretty much equal parts soy sauce and honey. I want this to be nice and sticky, a little sweet, and add a little chicken powder to that too because, well, you just need it, okay? I got a lemon. I'll give it a little brightness. I was gonna do lime, but I only bought one lime apparently. So yeah, go me. All right, now just give that a little mixy. Give that a taste. Oh, that's good. I want to roll with a little bit more honey here. Can't go wrong with a little honey. Perfect. Nice quick sauce, doesn't take long at all. Let's check on our asparagus. You ready? Yee. Look how the color's kind of changed. And that's exactly what we want. I'm not gonna put the cover back on because after a while, asparagus kind of gets a little weird if you steam them too long. So I can tell there, you can take your spatula. Oh yeah, that's good. So I'm just gonna kind of let these roll. I got some of that lemon juice or other lemon that we used from the sauce that we did. Just gonna take and put a little bit over our asparagus. That'll help brighten things up a little bit. be good to go. All right, let's see what our salmon skin looks like. We're gonna flip it over onto the other side. Ideally, I'm gonna put this over onto another place of the griddle so that number one, it's kind of clean. It doesn't go where there's a bunch of like fond, basically leftovers, and it'll give a better flavor, not better flavor, it'll give it a little better color, okay? I'm just gonna do this a little bit more oil, not much, and I'm gonna come right there. And this one right there. There we go. If you could see this, you could touch it, it's very hard, which is good. Salmon, for me, I like to take it about 140 degrees. So we're just gonna monitor this until it gets that. It's a little thick. We might roll it over here in a minute just to get some color on the sides. Yeah, we're gonna give us 2-3 minutes and we'll come back. All right, I flipped our asparagus over earlier and they're ready. We're just gonna put those over onto our cutting board. Good to go. Let's get that off to the side. Our salmon, it's been on that flesh side. We're gonna rotate that over. Look at that color. I'll put it back onto the skin side. And we made that sauce, remember? And we got to use that sauce. So now we're just going to start basting this sauce right onto our salmon. And then we're going to flip it over onto the flesh side. And then the glaze will just kind of sear into that salmon. Make a nice color. Now, just like that. It's almost done. And what we also have is a little bit of butter. Take some butter. I want to finish this salmon. Can't go wrong with butter. I'm gonna put it right there on that high side so that it kind of creeps down into the salmon. My griddle pitches this way. Ooh, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Now that glaze, it's got that honey. We can't leave it on that side for very long. We're going to flip it back over, reglaze, reflip. That's the way we do it. Just using our thermometer, see where we're at. We're at 102 degrees, right in the middle of that salmon. So, like I said, I like to go 140 personally. Got a little ways to go. I'm gonna flip it over. Look at that. Does that not look good? Looks fantastic. All right, same thing. A little bit more of this glaze. What we're doing here, we're just basting every time, and that just keeps building the flavor. Just one on one on one. It's gonna build a sticky glaze eventually. Just about every minute or so, I am flipping the salmon over onto the skin side and then back onto the flesh side. Every time I'm brushing with our glaze. Also, I put it over on each side because it's nice and thick, just to get some color, some flavor, caramelization on that side. Once it's ready, now it's about 140 degrees. Let's get this salmon off. It looks beautiful, y'all. Let's get it over on our cutting board. Just like that, right over on our asparagus. Looks so pretty. And look at that, that is beautiful. Finish this off, a little bit more of our glaze right over top of it. Just like that right there. Gee, come on with it. Come on with it. Some of our lemon juice, give it some brightness onto that asparagus as well. A little bit of Parmesan cheese onto that asparagus is also a nice little touch. But there we have it, folks. A little salmon on the griddle. Super easy, super flavorful. I mean, look at that. Who wouldn't want to eat that? I know I want to. And of course I am. I mean, I got to do it. It's part of the job. I'm just going to, let's give us a little crossy cross. I mean, look at that. That looks beautiful. It looks really beautiful. The flesh kind of comes from the skin really easy. Nice and flaky. Let's give it a try. Cheers. Not pretty good. All right, pretty good. Me, I like a little bit more lemon. I mean, we gotta like put some more of this glaze on it, right? Come on with it. That's pretty good. That's good salmon. Nice, tender, it's juicy. Oh, it's flavorful. Oh, that lemon and that. Perfect. Gotta try our asparagus too. Try it right here. I'll be honest with you. I honestly wish I wouldn't have put the cover over it because I feel like it stinged it too much. I waited too long. I should have just went straight on it and then went that way. Total rookie move right there. But it's still good. I love asparagus anyway, no matter how I can get it. Super easy meal. Y'all asked for some salmon, some shrimp, seafood. I wanted to bring you one. I appreciate each and every one of you. Hey, I'll see you next time. See you. That's good. All right. Good job, Maggie. Can always count on you to hack it up, girl. The chicken dust would be really good too. I left that towel under that because I want that. Hey, get out of there. Maggie's trying to pick my pocket over there on the old trash can. Shoot, where was I? I left these suckers up under that dome too long. It's not bad though. They were so thick. Yeah. I was like, oh man, these things are gonna take forever. Part of the job. I'll tell you what, let's do. There you go, Maggie. Hock it up, girl. Little quick sauce. Not quick, not fast. Little quick sauce. Just really, really fat. What? It does not make no sense.